2015 Ford Focus. Customer experiencing just die when they're driving, and sometimes don't want to start, and starting system fall light coming on. But when I tried it, it start every time. So this one's a common problem in a Ford Focus. I believe 2014 to 2016, but this one is 2015. So when I pull code, this is what I found. B10FF ignition control and U3006 control module output power. The circuit open. So let's go under the hood. I'll show what I found. It was running. Well, brand new battery. So let's see. It just turned it off. So look. Start it back up itself. This is a common problem in this view. This view is starting system for the ignition. So watch this guy. So, and when we're doing that, experiencing the line. Watch right here. It just push a little bit. Power die. Power die. Watch. There you go. See? There you go. Just stop. So this tube have an internally cracked. So that's the problem. So let's put a new tube.
You push it, you open it.
Yeah. So well,
you close it.
do something. Yep.
And you open it.